Picking a name in Welford Chart Notes. Welford Chart Notes gives you many different ways of specifying the patient whose chart you wish to open. Let's see how to use these tools. As you start to type into the last name box, once you reach the auto lookup number of letters, the program shows you all of the patients whose last name begins with those letters. If you type a comma and then start to type in the first name, the list grows shorter and shows you only patients whose last name begin with those letters and first name begins with those letters. When you find the name you wish to use, double-click it or press OK. The most recently used name is shown in the Recently Used Names box. Click the drop-down list to see other recently used names and choose one from that list. Click Use It to use the recently used name. If instead you know the patient's birth date, click the By Birth Date button and enter the birth date here. The program will then show you all patients who have that birth date from which you can choose the patient's name. Or, if you know the patient's code number, click the By Code button. Enter the code here and press OK to see a list of all of the patients with that code number. Another choice is to click the Search button. Type in a portion of the name that you are seeking. An alphabetical search looks for names with those exact letters. But if you're not sure how the patient spells it, choose a SoundX search. In this case, we type in JACSEN, but we still find patients whose names sound like that. Big SoundX also does a phonetic search, but casts its net more widely. You can also restrict your search to patients who have a specific activity, such as only patients who are active in your practice. If there is more than one patient in the practice with a similar name, the program shows you each of these patients along with their demographic information so that you can select the correct patient. If you still aren't sure which patient you want, press the Jump button to move to other program locations and read more information about this patient. And that's how to pick names in Welford Chart Notes. For more information, visit us at emirj.com.